So now let's see how we can access the function list inside of Google Sheets. So in order to work around with function sheets, I'm going to go around over here on to help, and I'm going to go to function list. So once you do that, what happens is that you can see that a new window, that is a new page, opens up. And here, if I want to know a certain function, I can simply type it out. Let's say I want to know the time function right here. So I'm just going to type in time, and you can see that this is what displays out. So here you can see that there's now right here. So if I were to type in now and bracket, then it says that it'll be able to display the current date and time. So I'm just going to go back over here, and then let me just go around. Let me just cancel this. Let me just go around and paste the function right here. I'm going to press equals. I'm going to paste that out now, and then I'm going to just say OK right here, and it displays it out in the dollar format, but this is time, so I want it to display time. So I'm just going to go around into format, number, and let's say time right here. Okay, and there you go. So it is displaying the current time from my system, as you can see right here. And that is how you can access the function list and see out any other function that you want to work with. Let's say, for example, you want to work around with sum, then you can see that there's different sum functions that you can work around with right here. You want to go around with add right here. So if there's anything right here, like if right here and so forth, you can see that there's frequency, there's things right here. Let's say I want to search something regarding average. So let's go around into average, and you can see that this is what you have. So these are the functions that you can actually add in Google Sheets and then work around with it. And that is how you can work around with function list and access the function list so that you can know what functions are there that you can add in over here in Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.